Ladies and gentlemen, we are launching C-Supreme, which is the official vitamin C of our EC community. And we have some great news for all of the people watching right now, which I will discuss later. Okay, C-Supreme. Ladies and gentlemen, we are launching C-Supreme, which is the official vitamin C of our EC community. And we have some great news for all of the people watching right now, which I will discuss later. Okay, C-Supreme is made with 100% pure whey C. Pure whey C is a manufactured ingredient from the United States. It's a patent-pending, revolutionary, breakthrough ingredient. Again, it's just an ingredient, but it's already manufactured. I will discuss it in detail in a bit while. It's a breakthrough ingredient. It's a clinically tested with proven results ingredient. And these are some of the human clinical studies done with our C-Supreme as compared to plain ascorbic acid, sodium ascorbate, calcium ascorbate, and calcium ascorbate/threonate, also known as ester C. One of the human clinical study, another human clinical study comparing their performance, their absorption against C-Supreme. Okay, these are 3 human clinical studies already. Now, if we would go into details, what does it say on the human clinical studies? That C-Supreme, remember this, that C-Supreme has supreme absorption, has supreme retention, and has supreme performance. So remember those 3. That's why it's called C-Supreme, because it has supreme absorption when you take it, supreme retention when it's already inside your body, and supreme performance when it's already performing its essence as a natural vitamin C, 500 milligrams. What does it do, and how does it perform with your usual vitamin C's out there present for the past 20 years? Number 1, supreme absorption. Do you know that most of the vitamin C's out there, when you take it, it's not 100% absorbed. In fact, most of them will just go to your urine when you pee. So the good thing is that our C-Supreme has 12% more antioxidant delivery. That's why with the usual vitamin C, they will tell you, take 2 capsules, take 3 capsules, because not all of their milligrams in their particular amount are being absorbed and delivered 100%. Most of it will just go again to your urine when you excrete it. But with C-Supreme, 12% more. It's a double-digit increase in terms of absorption and delivery of antioxidant. So with those products out there, again, you're just wasting huge amount of your money, taking week after week, month after month, year after year, when it's not being absorbed properly. With C-Supreme, we have 12% more absorbed and delivered antioxidant inside our bodies. Second, supreme retention. Now that the vitamin C is inside your body, is it being retained for a long period of time? Or will it just be flashing out after a few minutes, after a few hours? That's why you'll be hearing some products, some vitamin C's out there saying you need to take 2 to 3 capsules every 6 hours, every 8 hours, or take 2 to 3 capsules twice a day. Take 2 to 3 capsules 3 times a day. Why do you need to do that? Because it's not being retained inside your body for a long period of time. It just stays there inside your body for 1 hour, for 2 hours, for 3, 4 short hours, and then it goes to your urine right away. So it's not being retained properly. Ladies and gentlemen, with C-Supreme, we have not 100%, not even 200%, but 233% higher retention as compared to, again, your plain vitamin C, your plain ascorbic acid, your plain sodium ascorbate, calcium ascorbate, or your ester C brands in the market. We have more than doubled, 233% higher retention. So you don't need to take 3 times a day. You don't even need to take twice a day. You can just take it once a day for maintenance because it's being retained for a long period of time. 233% higher retention rate than those brands out there. And these are proven by human clinical trials. So Supreme retention. Supreme performance. When it's already inside your body, how does it perform as compared to the usual brands out there? Again, C-Supreme is performing not 100%, not 2, but 300% more efficient in promoting fibroblast and collagen healing. Meaning if you have wounds, for it to be healed quicker and faster, vitamin C is needed. And with C-Supreme, it has 300% more efficiency as compared to your usual vitamin C brands out there. Isn't it amazing? You're paying for more on that particular vitamin C that are less in absorption, less in retention, and less in performance. When with C-Supreme, we have more of those 3 things. With performance, 300% more efficient. What else? With C-Supreme, what's the number? Can you say? It's 84% higher reduction rate of C-reactive proteins. Am I right? Now, what are C-reactive proteins? These are biomarkers. In fact, there's a blood test to measure your C-reactive proteins. What does it do? What does it mark? It's a biomarker for inflammation and diseases inside your body. So when you have a high C-reactive proteins, meaning you have an existing disease of inflammation, or you have inflammation inside your body going on, an itis. That's the name for that particular disease if you have an inflammation. So with C-Supreme, it decreases your C-reactive protein, meaning it's quickly healing your body from inflammation or for that particular disease. Okay, again, as compared to the usual brand, how many percent is this? 64% better reduction. What else in terms of performance? This is what I'm so proud of C-Supreme. The fact that it has supreme absorption, supreme retention, and supreme performance. It has 250% more efficient in protecting our bodies and our immune system from bacteria and viruses or from toxins. Can you imagine? It's performing not only double than the usual vitamin C. It's 250% more. That's how effective and clinically tested C-Supreme is, being compared again to the usual vitamin C's out there. So you've been paying so much for those brands when you have the newest smart vitamin C right now in the market, C-Supreme. What else? It doesn't stop there. We have fact number 6. We have 83% more reduction of oxidized LDL cholesterol or low density lipoprotein cholesterol. What is oxidized LDL cholesterol, or better known and more popularly known as your bad cholesterol? Now, vitamin C's play a huge role in lowering down your bad cholesterol, because if you have a huge amount of bad cholesterol inside your body or inside your blood, which can be monitored, it's a biomarker for cardiovascular disease. meaning you might be suffering from hypertension, you might be suffering from a blocked artery, you might be suffering from an enlarged part of your heart. Okay, so the good thing, vitamin C reduces that. But with C-Supreme, it performs 83% better reduction as compared to the usual brands out there. So meaning you have more value for money with C-Supreme. Am I right? But it doesn't stop there. There's more. Fact number 7. Okay, guys. C-Supreme has 11% more free radical scavenging activities measured by the ORAC value and the DPPH method. These two tests are measurements of the antioxidant capacity of a certain ingredient. Now, vitamin C is a well-known antioxidant, but as compared to your usual brands, ascorbic acid, sodium ascorbate, calcium ascorbate, or your ester Cs, we have 11% more free radical scavenging activities. Okay, so you have more value for money, smart vitamin C with C-Supreme. Last but not certainly the least, and it's one of my favorite, as compared to the usual vitamin C brands, C-Supreme has 1,200% more stimulation of nerve regeneration and neurons. When a patient suffers from stroke, or when a patient has paralysis of their body, there's a problem with the nervous system, either with the nerves or with the neurons in their brain. Now, the good news is that vitamin C plays a significant role in nerve regeneration and neurons fixing. The good thing with C-Supreme, it doesn't only double or triple, it's 1,200% more stimulation for the nerves. Meaning, if you have paralysis or if you have a stroke, you will heal quickly and the nerves would have faster recovery rate when you take C-Supreme as compared to the usual vitamin C brands out there. Again, this is proven by human clinical trials. So with C-Supreme, you have the most value for money. Why? Because it's smart. It's more in terms of absorption. It's more in terms of retention. It's more in terms of performance. Now, C-Supreme is made of pure whey C. It's a proprietary natural formulation of citrus bioflavonoid complex of ascorbic acid rolled into one and enveloped with lipid metabolites. Now, why did they manufacture it that way? For long-term stability of the formulation and for better efficiency in therapeutic effects. What does it mean? For it to be absorbed properly, retained properly, and perform more as compared with your usual brand. That's the biggest technology, the smart technology within the Pure Whey C and the C-Supreme product. It's micro-encapsulation technology with those 3 proprietary ingredients. Now with C-Supreme, you have better kinetics absorption, you have better absorption, you have better performance and retention, proven, clinically tested. Now, here's the pricing details that all of you here in the Philippines are waiting for. Guys, for a 60 VCAPs per bottle pricing, okay, again, this is 60 VCAPs, not 30 VCAPs, it's 60 VCAPs. The suggested retail price in the market is 888 pesos only. And as a wonderful partner of AIMGLOBAL and Empowered Consumerism here in the Philippines, you're getting it at distributor's price of only 588 pesos. With commissional points of 110 and repeat binary points of 5 and positional points of 0.1. Again, positional points 0.1, repeat binary points of 5 and commissional points that will be computed for your unilevel, for your Stir Step and for the wonderful UPP 110 Commission.